Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this is a long-awaited, we are doing our eBay and Mercari side hustle. I haven't done one for March. I just been pumping out some different videos and I just haven't had the time to film this, but we really need to unstuff this and put it into our sinking funds. Now, going in with a plan, I do not have a plan. I have no idea where this money is going to go. We have $124, I believe, in our envelope. This is for April's side hustle, so that is going to actually just be tucked away. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So $124, and that is from eBay and Mercari. I usually stuff my Etsy shop, which I already did that off camera because it really wasn't that, great. I think it was like $7. So $70 that came from Mercari from sales, and then the rest came from eBay. I did do a what sold on eBay Mercari for the month of March. I'll link that down below and in the description at the end of this video. It was pretty fun. It was one of a really good weeks or month, to be honest. And I'm not doing one in April because April has been really slow. But maybe in May or June, we're going to a huge yard sale. When you're watching this on Saturday, we're going to a huge yard sale that we go every single year, and it's in the parking lot. It's on the fairgrounds. It's supposed to have like 100 vendors out there today, and I'm just super excited. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this video, and we're just going to wing it. We're just going to figure out where we're going to put everything at. We do know that for sure that we're going to be putting $24 into taxes. Now we have to start our taxes for this year again, so I am not mad about that. We're just going to be well prepared, probably put more towards it. So we're going to do 20%, which is 24.8. So we're just going to do $24, I believe, or we can do 25. Let's just do 25. We're going to get our binder. And let's see, $25 for taxes. And we do not have anything saved right now. So that is going to be the start of that one. So $25. We are actually going to go ahead and let's count how much we have in debt and see what we can do with that. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So $70, and let's just go ahead and do $30. So that is going to be exactly $100. So we are actually going to deposit this and make a extra $100 payment towards our student loan with our lowest one, which I believe is a little over $900. So that will knock it down to $800. So I'm super excited about that one. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100 for debt. Awesome. And then let's see, moving on to rainy day fund, we are going to be putting $10. Let's just take that out. And we are not going to count this one. This is actually a challenge. Let me find the challenge real quick. And it is a challenge that I have made on my Etsy shop, which is the rainy day fund. I have two different ones. And we are actually just going to, I haven't colored these in, but we're just going to add $10 to that. What is next? Taxes, fertility, mom. Mom definitely needs some. So let's see, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I know $100 is going towards her Mother's Day gift. So 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I'll give her this to go shopping. Actually, I'll give her 20 and 21. So 21, so she can have this much. So So we're adding $21. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So tomorrow or today during yard sale, she's going to have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm going to give her $30. She did say that she already has money, but in case she wants it, she has an extra $30 to spend. If not, it'll just go towards her Mother's Day gift. I think that is it for that binder. Let's go ahead and take our yellow binder out. And we're going to go towards, not work. We do need to do home, but we're going to go ahead and do giveaways. And let's see. And we're going to put a 20, so we can have 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, and 32. So we're going to put $10 in giveaways. Let's see. We have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So $28. Let's see what we can do. We do need to do home. Is it home reno or furniture? I think it's home reno because we wanted to take out the tree that's in our front yard. So we have 20, 30, 40. So let's just do 10 and equals to 50. So 20, 30, 40, and 50. And then home decor, I think I'm just going to combine this. So we're actually going to add $10, $11, $12 to this one. I think I'm just going to leave those empty because our main goal is the tree in the front yard. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, and 62. So $62. We need to go ahead and get an estimate on that. Let's see, tires, registration. Oh, we need to do fertility. I haven't done fertility, and fertility is always a big one. Oh, and traveling too, but we'll see. Fertility, we are going to be putting $10 because that is a big one for us. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. What? Okay, so if this is 100, we might have to deposit this and put it in our high yield savings account so we can let this grow. Okay, so let's count again. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Holy crap. $100. So awesome. So fertility is actually about to get $100. Hopefully I can find $100 one. Probably not. A little fake envelope, but we will definitely deposit this so it can gain interest into our high yield savings account. That would be awesome, you guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have $8. Let's do traveling, and we are actually going to put $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so we have $5 that we added. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, and 62. So we have $62, and this is going to be going towards our travels for most likely in October for our little vacation. So 1, 2, 3. So we have $3 left, and I think we're going to put it in our regular sinking funds, and we are going to probably put it in, let's see, I have a lot of empty ones. Renewals is going to get the rest. So 1, 2, 3. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and 56. So $156, and I really need to start doing my CEUs for my certification. It is due in July, so I might do some this weekend. I'll probably deposit $50 and do some this weekend. So we'll see about that. I really do need to jump on that very, very soon. All right, guys, so that is it. We stuffed $124 from our March income of our side hustle of eBay and Mercari. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. This is a very short video. I hope you guys love it. I hope this will, encourage you guys to do a side hustle to gain some extra money. Because it's always good to have extra money, and it's always fun to stuff it as well. But anyways, thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I am definitely going to have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday for a mini challenge, and then on Tuesday for the regular money challenge. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.